Okay, so we're talking about what to do if you have a hoarder house. That could be either because you're the hoarder, a family member's a hoarder, or maybe you inherited from a hoarder, or maybe you rented it to a hoarder. We've seen every single situation. We have bought hoarder houses that, there's a large range of hoarder houses. We bought hoarder houses where there's just big piles of garbage in the floor, and we bought hoarder houses where floor to ceiling bags where just a pathway went through it. Um, you basically have you have a few options, right? The first thing you can do is you can pay somebody to clean it out. So if you're the hoarder, you're probably not going to do that. Because the reason why all that stuff is there is because some of it you think is important. You could pay somebody to clean it out. It's going to be expensive. We've paid clean out fees of over $25,000 on really bad houses. That's one option. Once you clean it out, then you can sell it for what it's worth at that point. You have to see what the value is. Also, another option is clean it out and fix it up. But again, that's more money. Another option is to sell to an investor buyer. So again, we've bought many hoarder houses, some disgusting and some unbelievable, but we take them as is. So literally, we take the problem off your hands. That is an option. We don't need to go through the things. We have people that on our staff that can clean out. So we have to figure in the cost of clean out, but our costs for clean out are going to be significantly less than yours. And this is something we deal with all the time. So I think if you're looking for an easy way out of a hoarder house situation, you should call an investor buyer, whether it's us or anyone else. We do buy houses in the area. We also list them. So if you wanted top dollar for it, we could recommend some people to clean it out and then list it for you if you like. But whether you use us to list your house or don't use us to list your house, or whether you use us to buy your house or not, you can always call us for help. Our number is below, and we're here as a resource for you. So if you are interested in dealing with a hoarder house, if you know someone who is a hoarder and might need our help, we are happy to help you with any advice or anything else we can do.